I guess the famous story, my favorite family story that I spent many years trying to interpret, and then many years, I guess trying to explain to people what it meant to me, was my mom's memory of her own grandmother, and her grandfather, so my great grandfather, who I never met, but I had met my great grandmother. So he used to pull odd jokes on his wife, and she would open the closet door, and she would find him wearing a big cloth over his head and some sort of box on his forehead. And when she would open the door, he'd say "Shalom Aleichem, Shalom Aleichem," which would drive her absolutely mad. And she, I always interpret this to mean that she was hiding a secret, and he was making jokes at her because he knew she was Jewish, and he knew that she was absolutely terrified of anybody knowing about this secret. And then it only took, some 20 years of my life to discover that I was right, that that's what it meant.